Ken Ofori-Atta, this is him, this is the man. Me no ka say no US court yet ice for immigration customs enforcement. Omo che na dey call court yes see no our court into no hearing ebe ba so first hearing aba so ama first hearing eba so no Ken Ofori-Atta and lawyers omo ka che court ni judge ni say they want the judge to grant Ken Ofori-Atta bail, and also they want the court to grant Ken Ofori-Atta a permanent residency in the US. But then something happened. You see, even though the laws of US is not favoring Ghana in helping us to extradite Ken Ofori-Atta to Ghana, no, God is working in mysterious ways. Because Ken Ofori-Atta thought, say, when he can pay his way into the US immigration system and become a permanent residency or an American. But then God is working through Donald Trump, and judge he said, hold on. Until judge need deny the bail of Ken Ofori-Atta. Kevin Taylor, so US, he explained this whole thing best. Yenti in Sema or the Tuja.
Enti, just sit back. Mo amoso mo nya politics na mo jimi no. Udi tie me. Yeti o man mu. Ena aban bi abaso. Ena political party na di aban ne baso no. Before I did to me, mom, no catch it say, a brandy way of any Ken Ofori-Atta. The Busianine president, no, Onimde. One, vice president, F. Baumiano, Omunim, Sika, Tutuemu Hunsem. Tio, or the own politics. Tiasma me catch away. And a political party, no, Omuwini power, no, and a Omode, a brandy way, my say, way in a bit to Ghana Sika Semina ye. Now, man, farmer, keke. Baumiana and the Oyom flag bearer no ono na gina mu eka say we die onim sika 70 yamfa sika 70 nsa na ono ni nya adwuma mbom because Baumiana na eye head of sika 70 to nyina wo Ghana na papa we ohye Baumia ase because the head of economic management team no omo no mu decide the papa we emfa sika ne nkoye na Baumiana da no ena Ghana nyina ka say yo yate ene tam Ghana sika 70 upon because of Baumia's advice, no, ya tam edema papa we. Ghana ni ba. Ne ma mene ne papa ya Ghana for. Obetina Ghana 8 years, wan kwatena bruchire da. We ntu an kwatena bruchire kwa 2 months da. COVID time nkwa na COVID year na, ya de private jet befa no kwa bruchire. But 8 years no, MPP ne de ne ba ye no, wan kwatena bruchire kwa more than 1 month. Otena Ghana the whole time. Imbre bi du o yare pa me ka se onjai 2 minutes to o se dabi. Ono de ye ne ma na ontumi nja ne mba eho ema sebio yare nkuye nti ono na behwe yesika so ye kan bibia so ompene tie mi o de se wo se onye politics ena brantie we yesika sam odi yenim one Bawumia edi tutu yesika sam nti Bawumia ma na ideas a na odi yesika sam na ye ena omu free eye to me ana power free omunsem abranti oye Ghana ni a obedi Ghana so one Bawumia be ye adwuma se oyina kumem na odo Ghana eye adwuma ma Ghana de na nka efe se ono ankasa ebetena Ghana na sebio aban foforo edi tumi ashom nsa na wetumi kura akasem akase na me wo ho no na me ye ni sei adikudie ntia na me ye ni sei no eni sei eni ntia na mu ye sei a enye ye de na nka efe na nka ye wo ha ne agye na dwenkyere na we pie abeka che Ghana for say time na me ye mo finance minister no musika na me tamo ye no we na me de ye we na me de ye in fact some person mo tutuma no a be de me ho be ba mama tutuma because imbre bi me ka che Ghana for say ejuma me ye kura me ngipe abranti we o ka che Ghana ha say ejuma o ye ma ye no on ngipe o ye cheye free bonto yanka bibia and abranti we to me free MPP nsa. To me free MPP nsa no. And wakose America. Bibi a memeti wabesha ha. And a Ghana for chen se brefie. Na ha na wote infie watche. Special prosecutor kajen se bra. Na bra na insem ye si wechi. Na obi na wo ye adwuma na wonji sika free Ghana for ho de na e kire se na wo do Ghana crampo chen Ghana ankasa enti bra na nipa bi ekeka nsɛm bi wɔ wɔkyi enkrata bi abesi wɔkyi a ɛkyerɛ sɛ time na woyɛ adwuma a wongi sika wɔ hɔ as pay no na woyɛ nnwoma bi a ɛmfa kwa mu nti bra na bɛyi wo ho ano political party na ɛde abrante we ba MPP no ɔmo se papa no mema ne mma tie mi o papa no hyɛ abrokyire ɔmbra bɛyi ne ho ano na ɔmo a ɔmo ne bɔɔ krono no ɔmo bɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu sɛ ɔno deɛ ɔnka ho na ebi asemesi we na yɛyɛ asemesi we deɛ ɔmbra no MPP foɔ ka kyerɛ yɛ sɛ including Bawumia yɛbusa Bawumia sɛ ɔnkasam na ɛma abrante yɛ mbra ɛmɛkyerɛ sɛ ɔno Bawumia ne abrante we no ɔmo anka ɔmo tira mbom ambɔ yɛ krono Bawumia sɛ ɔnkasa tie from time a Ghana foɔ ka sɛ abrante we mbra na ɔmbɛyi ne ho ano na yehu Ghana na yekɔ enim so obi edi ebɔne anase ɔno ankasa di adwuma a because ɔse adwuma na ɔno ɔngye sika ebesi nnɛ Mahmoud Bawumia sɛ ɔnka bi na Nana Danko Akufo-Addo na ɔyɛ president no ɔno sɛ ɔnka nkyɛ abrante we ɔyɛ nebusuani sɛ ɔmbra Bawumia yɛyi ne sɛ party no asa yi ne sɛ ɔndi ɔmanim no ɔno sɛ ɔnka bi nti abrante ne ntena hɔ na deɛ esi nyina ne sɛ abrante we ɛne na mabrokyiri asa oni nkrataa ɛna US police fo akye no ɛna ɔmde na kɔhyɛ abankukum enti me no ka sɛ ɔdane bi ne ho ɔdane dwonso ho ɔda student mattress so ɛkɔ bosom ɛnan enum ni ɔwɔ dan si Ghana ɔwɔ mansion wɔ Ghana ɔwɔ japadeɛ wɔ Ghana ɔwɔ freedom ɛwɔ Ghana ɛnso abrante we sɛ ɔbɛdane bi ne ho wɔ America busa ho sɛ saa party na ɛka kyerɛ ɔmo aho nipa sɛ ɔntena America ndane bi ne ho no die na party ni di sie nipa na wabɛdi party n'anim no adɛnti na ɔnka nkyerɛ ne sɛ ɔmmra na sɛbio Ghana for ensanje party ni endi ɔno so ni ɛfiri sɛ ɔno Bawumia no ɔne Ofori-Atta yɛ adwuma pɛn Bawumia no sɛ ɔnkasa Ofori-Atta nka hɔ sɛsia no ɔda abankukum a yɛakye no ne nkrataa nyɛ broni bifrɛ bibi alien America for say ɔyɛ nipa bi a ɔmo hu ne so ɔyɛ nipa o sɛ ɔyɛ aboɔ o nti ɔmo de word bi ato so yɛfrɛ no alien kyerɛ sɛ oni akwanya ana oni ho kwan sɛ ɔbɛtena America nti ɔmo akyɛ no ko a ɛna ɔmo de na kɔhyɛ dan bi mu ɛna ɔda ne bi ne ho ɛna ɔda ne dwonso ho ɛna ɔda student mattress so ɛna ama no kuntu unim kuntu yama ne blanket baako ɛna wahyɛ ɛnɛ ɛyɛ America for prison na ɔda no ɔda prison o sɛ ɔmbra na ɔmometie na no asɛm ɛfiri sɛ mpɛmpɛnso a yɛdui ida sɛ yɛde ne bɛbɔ ɔno ankasa ne kurom anaasɛ yɛde ne bɛtum wɔ ha anaasɛ yɛbɛgyaa no wɔ ha ɛndɛ ɔkɔgyina America judge anim no ɔka kyerɛ America judge no sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ America judge no ɛma ne bail na ɔkɔ fie ɛna America judge no sɛ wo fie wɛn because one woyɛ alien yɛ kurom ha krataa biara ni wa ɛkyerɛ sɛ woyɛ kurom ha ni a wowɔ kwanya sɛ wotena ha enti ɔka kyerɛ America judge no sɛ mepɛ bail akɔ fie ɛna judge no busa no sɛ efie bɛɛ mu na wokɔ wopɛ bail no kyerɛ address a wokɔ mu ɛna ɔsɛ oh memetia no meti hotel me yare me ho mfame enti ma me bail na me nkɔ fie ɛna judge no sɛ ekroma obie ni wa hotel ya na address ɛna sɛ wo yare a saa ice detention prison ha na woda no doctors omo ho nyina yɛ papa kyɛ doctors omo wɔ Ghana facility na ɛwɔ ha no hospital facility na ɛwɔ prison ha no ni nyina yɛ papa kyɛ hospital bi ɛwɔ Ghana enti kan wa asɛm yie ana ɔsi oh ka judge ni mani nkɔ fie na ɔnkɔ da fie sɛ ne bɛ a yɛsa frɛ na asɛm na na waba ɛna judge sɛ daabi wankasa nkasa wo yɛ alien wo firi kurom ha na me judge ni kura ma te sɛ wo kurom fo de krataa de w'akyi sɛ ɔmo pɛ wakyew mo abeyi nsem bia no Ghana ena judge ni say onko no kanko da ne bi ni ho onko da ne dwunso ho onko da ne kuntu na se ene ni student matters ne so na onsa nko dwene no meka nyansasem bi nkyere no no de enya de obema ni bail mana kofie ni kuro no kuro ofiri mu no omo hwehwe no enti o mekira de kudie nti a eni se odene ma ni kuro Ghana ose odo a oye adwuma che omo no de na prevent ne se Ghana ho enya na kono biem ti judge ne se yen sanfa Ofori-Atta nkoto ni bi ni ho unim de ya ne se upon ni bi ni a oda ho nyina e wo prison ho no MPP phone to me in your press conference empa ne chew se ombre fie azi wo fie a oye MPP for omo parliament led by the foolish idiot afenyoma ake no omun to me in your press conference nka se Ofori-Atta wo kan ye ho wo ye party member ubedi Ghana so wo de ba omia na bechichire Ghana sikasem brafie. The last time I tell you, no Obian Obia kon wo Ghana. Obian wo Obia sekan wo Ghana. The last time I tell you, me afenyoma ke me bo police ni asum. Me da hone nam ha. Emma wini ba hemfo so me so nkwase asem. Enti bra MP so mo shemra. A mo se omo do Ghana ende. Omo pese Ghana for HS Ghana for se omo do Ghana no. Omo ese Ofori-Atta ntra ho. Omunya press conference over a year now. Omunya press conference and can't can say yes, brafie. Na be chere Ghana for say wonya kromfo na party nya kromfo party. Omo say omunya da. Na do danko Akufo-Addo na ni nue na odi tumi ni ma na sa branti we ni baomia ewia Ghana sika through their so-called policy and budget no. Na do danko Akufo-Addo na imrebi odi adanse chere say Brantie we ako Harvard, Abrantie we ako Columbia, Abrantie we ako Yale, Abrantie we ni muwoma, enitira ordene ma ye se one ba omiahwe sikas no, se one ba omiahwe sikas no. Nanado danko Akufo-Addo te Ghana, wako Afghanistan aba. Onam Ghana na hu num wi. Otumi kikan kwasi asem se ono waye mpuntudwuma, ontumi mbie na no nka se minua Ofori-Atta bra na party na ema djuma die no party ni pese batumi ba chirem adekodie ntia e wo se Ghana for tomaye so omo se edi omo sika na do danko Akufo-Addo achichide ne ntumi mbie na no nka bibisa wo ye Ghana ni wo mpe politics tie me wo ye kokoku eni ohun wo ye MPP ni tie me Mahamudu Baomia na one abrantie we eye adwuma bom kokra ndankra echo Ghana budget eka se sika sebe nyina omunom ni mu nyansa Mahamudu Baomia abeye MPP for flag bearer party na edi Ofori-Atta bae na ebe wiaye no kai say ye Ghana ye history mu any history of the world finance minister bi eniwa wedi na abrewi a wedwane akotena abrochire a ye se onu amra ni krom repatriate ombra onu ankasa ni krom no ebi nsida Mahamudu Baomia be di flag bearer e was her party na Ofori-Atta ni ye adwuma o se na onjipe no we be di flag bearer e be sinne ontumi mbie na no nka se Ofori-Atta bra na dwuma mi ni udi ye no magana fo be hu se menya kromfo we wiaye uye dwuma wanji sikampo na Ghana fo enji yendi Mahamudu Baomia na oye flag bearer ontumi mbie na no baako enka sa asem we obedwam on share media enka na adwene say or se okache Ofori-Atta say omrefie no no Baomia anya kromfo. The party NEC National Executive Council in penifo mu di MPP enim a omo se omo de party no in penifo mu di enim a omo ka no kura party nya kromfo party no emu baako Hakman Owusu Agyemang Michael Kwe J.A. Kufuor Adokofuor wan ebesinde Atta Kennedy ende Baomia Jonso anu atafri. None of these people have been able to come out boldly to tell Baomia say we should insist second Ofori-Atta mrefie ompe politics na mbese mbusa wasembio ekofo ebedi Ghana so nipa na Ghana money box ni kutano no a oni ba omia di dwuma no ose o ma Ghana nipa na yede Ghana no ehye ni nsemu no sika sama ona oni ba omia edi hu dwuma no yese ombra onu an krom ose oyare yese brafie ombra onu an Ghana na odi su 8 years ni ba omia etoto Ghana sika sam no ombra fie keke ose omma na wo mpe politics mi busa wo die nti na odwini second Ofori-Atta se omba Ghana die nti na ama Mahamudu ba omia besinde ontumi nka ho asem die nti na Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ofa Ofori-Atta de ba omia dwuma ontumi bie na no ka se Ofori-Atta mrafie die nti na MPP party mpenifo nyina including Kufo entumi nkasa officially say eye Ofori-Atta mrafie die nti na party dankasa omu general secretary ni omu chairman for ntumi nye press conference enka nkyerɛ Ofori-Atta sɛ ɔmrafie na ɔbafie a na ɔbɛyini ho ano a Ghana fo behu sɛ ɔnyɛ kromfo na party ni nyɛ party a ɛyɛ kromfo party die nti na wodwen sɛ ɔmu nyinaa ntumi nyɛ saa ɔmpɛ politics me kyerɛw MPP ɔmu yɛ wifoɔ whether they have been prosecuted or not they have not been able to justify say ɔmu nyɛ wifoɔ say if all that we are saying say Ofori-Atta yɛ kromfo Akufo-Addo yɛ kromfo Bawumia yɛ kromfo and we are saying say Ofori-Atta was the one who was holding the money box say yɛka na so mo person mo prove you wrong morally why are they all not speaking against Ofori-Atta insisting on staying in America? It is because omu nyina nim say center bolt ni yɛ Ofori-Atta omu nyina yɛ wifoɔ. We don't have to go stand in court to know say or to prove say papa way on the MPP from Bawumia to Akufo-Addo omu nyina ya kromfo. We don't need to. Going to court and jailing them is the icing on the cake. But morally, between you and I, Ghana ni bia otena Ghana ha 8 years no. Ghana ni bia oye nkremoni papa ana oye Kristo ni papa o ka no kore no. A opesa Ghana ko n'anim no. We will all come to that conclusion that the MPP is a criminal enterprise. Nipa usu oneye ene bekye dipa awoye oba ekwa aware a enye de ne ebejae no ana be ma de nsa ebekọ eye debusuafo fie na kire se oba ne nye papa wo eye ne neye ene ne su eno na be ma ne peke ni nyina ka eni a ekesi eni a ena otumi tam snap se me de mo ba na ebre no ebre mo. And that is what we are seeing. We don't need to enter court to prove say the party, the MPP party no eye Bawumia ye leader no Akufo-Addo ka ho Kofo mo ye elders of the party no it's a criminal entity because yemfa say the court is not in this case. Don't they owe it to us? Don't they owe it to their God? Morally, can they prove to us say Ofori-Atta enya kromfo by telling him to come home? Yemfa say the judiciary is not working. Attorney General yemfa say na Kofo na otewo no Akufo-Addo na otewo no eye Michael Kwe na otewo no Hakman Osu Agyeman na otewo no Adokofo na otewo no Bawumia na oye party leader no General say why can't they boldly say Ofori-Atta come home? They can't because all of them are criminals. Omo ye wifo Ofori-Atta ba for all you know ebi onu Ofori-Atta no krampo no jailing affect no it will affect all of these people behind the scenes. That is the problem. Ebi krampo Ofori-Atta no he might not end up in jail but Ofori-Atta's presence in court, what is going to happen is that the rippling effect, the neck, the executive, national executives, the flag bearer of the party, majority of them will end up in jail. That is why they are all protecting Ofori-Atta. Because if the minority, that every single day on your press conference, they have refused to have a press conference on this, then it means that the minority is not a minority. Also, because what do they represent? And people know represented the We just need Ken Ofori-Atta in Ghana. And we all know Ken Ofori-Atta ba Ghana and your channel beko jail. It's a court process. A process. Ken ba ono so befa lawyer. Of a lawyer, obeko court said you be a court no. Ken Ofori-Atta ba obi an what is second. So why is the party, the leadership, from Kufuor to Ekufuado to even a flag bearer? Say flag bearer now Bawumia. Say odi no kura kyerɛ ɔno ane nyame ɔyɛ kyiriwiande muna fiki onyankopɔn Allah odi Bawumia bedi ɛwɔ 30 days way saa kyiriwia way. Say Bawumia na yiri beifo na ɔnam nduro so no. Say onyankopɔn kokroko wɔ soro no. Say ɔte n'anim na ɔhwɛ nkɔfo no ma he will strike the wife dead. Unima ne kro because kyiriwia kro ɔmo yɛ no ɛyɛ atoro ɛna ɔmo yɛ. Wallahi. Onyankopɔn kokroko a ɔhata soro. Onim nipa kumem. Every single day obehu Samira Bawumia, he spits on her like a pig. And because they are liars, because omo ye nkremufo omo kanokore, because omo ye munafikis, because Allah akesi omo asasi we so no, even in their Ramadan they cannot be truthful to Allah. Because Bawumia kanokura and this Ramadan season or person onyame de ne body channel e de che ne yemu ma ene ne yiri beifo na ko be bie na no aka kire Onyankopon say ma me ndi ne kura nkire me man na me ndi ne kura nkire me Nyankopon. He would have spoken about Ken Ofori-Atta's matter because it is the reason why today he is the flag bearer. But you know something, because these people are evil, because these people are dirty people, because these people are criminals, they are thieves, they are murderers. The NPP as a political party, omukuni pasre, because they are dirty people. I've not forgotten when he said he wanted the boy to die like a chicken. I've not forgotten that. So remember, I'll remind you every day. These are dangerous human beings. Intimibusao. In your senses, say human being. Wosheme. Umpe politics. Are you going to hand over power to Bawumia? When you hand over power to Bawumia, it's only 2 miyama Ken Ofori-Atta. That's all. It's simple. Dede bebrebia nim. So otam to me. Otam to me. At the Bawumia nsem. Even when you think about it as a Muslim. Oya sorry 5 times a day. Oko Juma Friday biano. Quran ne adia otie di Onyankopon enumasam ene eyede Muhammad, peace be upon him. Now so udi nukura wo mu a, you will never even think of handing over power of voting for a liar like Bawumia, because all his life and his principles are not the principles of Allah. If actually you the Muslim, you want to also enter the same place Bawumia is entering, because Bawumia is a munafiki. They don't speak truth. I have no problem voting for anybody who follows any religion. I don't care. But what I hate is somebody who is a liar from any religion. And Mahamudu Bawumia and Neyre, they are capital liars. They are munafikis. They are not what you think they are. They are dangerous human beings. And this guy, continuously, consistently, the inconsistency in the MPP's issue discussing this matter consistently has proven that the party is a party no Ghanaian can trust. I don't care. All I need is Ken Ofori-Atta being in Ghana. If it's going to take him 10 years to be in court, I don't care. At least the courts are dealing with the matter. Why is he now pushing away his own homeland, home country? Why is he not interested? Why is Bawumia not interested in bringing Ken Ofori-Atta back? Why is he not flying to the States to go talk to Ken Ofori-Atta? Why is he doing that? Why is he mute on Ken Ofori-Atta's return to Ghana? It is because these are dangerous people. In Tumpe politics, that is the game they are playing with you. In time before story no muye dede etiti radio swa. The question is, it is because they want you to give them power. Then they can set people like this free. There are hundreds of these people we will have to deal with. Now remember, they are wounded now. They are pained. Samira Bawumia no bunko for dangu. She has offended a lot of people. And she's pained because 2 million all pay for Rebecca Kufuor in Sanka. And if we make a mistake and allow that devil, I'm talking from experience, allow that devil, that will be the end of this nation. Me, I've got nothing to lose.